We have a new product right here. We got the DJI Nano first generation, I guess. This is the DJI Osmo Nano, which is going to be a really cool little action pocket camera that is going to be travel sized and also very convenient for POV shots. I wanted to come on here and just unbox this product. But before I do that, let's read the specs. So it records 4K 60 FPS with a 143 wide FOV, which seems perfect, especially if you're using it for a vlogging camera. At least I think it would be more for vlogging camera. Maybe y'all can see me go on rides at Disneyland. Supposedly it comes with a camera, multifunctional vision dock, protective case, magnetic hat clip, magnetic lanyard, dual direction magnetic ball joint adapter mount, USB-C 3.1 cable, and of course documents. Let's go ahead and unbox this. And there's the product itself, but we are going to put this to the side right now. Comes with a little QR code, and it comes with a sticker that I will be placing on my car. Clamp that you can place like basically anywhere, honestly, your car, your dashboard, and it sticks on just like that. It's a suction cup, and so far from what it seems like a very premium one, which will allow us to stick it to a lot of things. We got the USB-C 3.1. Oh, and we got the lanyard. So this right here is the lanyard, and you just wear it over yourself whenever you want to stick it on, I guess, which is very handy, especially for those first person shots. It seems like it's gonna be the protective case, which is very sturdy. Seems like it would really protect your Osmo Nano. This right here is gonna be your hat clamp. So you basically place this on your hat, and with the camera right here, allowing you to have like a sort of first person view. And it's gonna be pretty cool because I have a lot of scenes that I think I want to use this on. And the most important thing of all, instructions and paperwork that we don't read. And the moment we all been waiting. This is the main body itself. This is so small, tiny, and also a good sensor size. I am super excited to see how this works and also how well it does. And it's on. So we are gonna do a quick setup real quick just so we can get the gist of it. English. You do have to download the app in order for you to fully activate this, which we have the app already. So far, that's what we have. So one of the most things that it's known for right here is you can take this off. It's fully modular, and I can still record video. That's actually pretty cool. I mean, like, I can place this wherever I want. I mean, one thing that I think is pretty cool is that basically first person view of whatever like I'm unboxing and even looking at. I think it's pretty cool. This is gonna be a lot of fun, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. But so far, very nice device, very well made. Also feels very heavy to the touch, so seems like it would be very durable, especially in strong situations. Another thing too is that this is waterproof, or not waterproof, water resistant, allowing me to really take it into action. Like if I go on a water ride at Disney, it's not going to affect that I'm wearing it. So it's pretty cool. But expect plenty of more videos and shots made with this, because this is going to open up so many more possibilities for these videos. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and let me know if you have one. If you guys want to see some shots made with this, let me know. But until next time, see you guys later. Peace. Also, DJI, great job on just making this product, because it's really amazing.